original TAMPOPRINT.
Welcome to a new video from TAMPOPRINT. Today, I'd like to dive into the world of consumables and introduce you to our range of pad printing inks. Our pad printing inks have been carefully developed over many years for specific applications, ensuring ease of use and precise execution of your desired results. With 19 different ink series, we are perfectly equipped to serve a variety of industries and applications. The easy mixing process of our inks allows users to quickly implement their workflow in production. Combined with our harmonized consumables, such as clichés, printing pads, and ink doctoring cups, you'll achieve optimal print quality. For mixing ratios and technical specifications, you can refer to our leads catalogue, available on our website. Thanks to our in-house Application Technology Centre, we've successfully completed thousands of customer projects. Clients from various industries provide us with their components in advance, allowing us to conduct sampling and feasibility analyses. This way, the customer can directly compare and evaluate the print results in their own production. We will continue to offer this service to all our customers in the future. Certain ink series comply with specific regulations or certifications, such as USP Medical Class 6, the EN 71-3 Toy Safety Standard, and more. This enables us to easily serve clients from regulated industries like pharmaceuticals and automotive. With up to 25 standard colours across different series, we offer a wide range of options for printing on your desired materials. Perfectly matched additives, such as thinners, retarders, and hardeners, ensure flawless print results for our customers. We can also reproduce custom colours based on RAL, Pantone standards, or sample parts. Availability and service are our top priorities. With hundreds of different inks and additives in stock, we guarantee fast, worldwide delivery. Get in touch with us. I'm happy to assist you with any questions.
Technologies for your future.